Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of relaxation and well-being. Buckle up because we're about to explore the incredible benefits of massaging the vagus nerve. Yep, you heard it right. We're getting hands-on with the vagus nerve. So what's the deal with the vagus nerve? Well, it's like the Zen master of your nervous system, responsible for calming your body down and bringing peace to your mind. Think of it as your own personal chill button. Now you might be wondering, why should I bother massaging my vagus nerve? Great question. Massaging the vagus nerve has a laundry list of benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving digestion and even enhancing your mood. It's like a spa day for your nervous system. Now, let's get down to business. Here are some simple techniques to massage your vagus nerve. First up, the neck massage. Gently massage both sides of your neck with circular motion. Imagine you're a DJ mixing those stress vibes away. This helps stimulate the vagus nerve, telling your body it's time to unwind. Another way to massage the vagus nerve is by doing a jawline massage. Begin by using your fingertips or knuckles to gently massage along your jawline. Start from the center of your chin and move outwards towards your ears. Apply light pressure and use small circular motions. Next up is a cheek massage. Using your fingertips, gently massage your cheeks in upward circular motions from the center of your face towards your temples. This helps release tension and can indirectly impact the branches of the vagus nerve. And don't forget the forehead massage. With your fingertips, apply gentle pressure to your forehead. Start from the center and move outward towards your hairline. Use small circular motions and focus on areas where you feel tension. Massaging the outer part of your ear is also a way to massage the vagus nerve. Gently massage the outer part of your ears using your thumb and forefinger. Start at the top of your ear and move down, paying attention to the curves and folds. Apply a gentle rhythmic pressure. You can also massage behind the ears where the earlobe meets the skull. Apply gentle circular motions and experiment with the pressure to find what feels comfortable. And the most effortless and effective way to massage your vagus nerve is using the Pulsetto. It's an innovative vagus nerve stimulator created just a few years ago. You can click the link in the description to head to our website and learn more about it. And there you have it, lovely people. 4 simple ways to massage your vagus nerve and bring a wave of relaxation into your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite relaxation techniques. And as always, stay fabulous, stay relaxed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.